Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Kidde carbon monoxide alarm. So around back, it does come with three AA batteries. We got to open this up. We do have some mounting hardware in here. Now these prevent you from mounting this with no batteries. That's what those are there for. So I got to put batteries in it. We want to be very specific. There is a little diagram right here. There's a minus symbol on that one. That flat side is the minus side. So you're going to put the battery in. Push that lever down. That should go in. It's a little tricky. You got to really push it past that area right there. Now let's do the next one. A little hard to see, but right there is a plus symbol down there. So again, we're going to take the battery. You need to push that thing down. The minus side now goes up, the opposite of the other one. Push it in. Now this one goes the opposite of that. Flat side down. All right, it kind of scared me. Now we do have a date of manufacture, and up here you want to put replace by. Now you should write 10 years after the date of manufacture. It should be replaced, and you'll also get a word end when it reaches the end of its lifetime. Now we're going to mount this wall bracket, and then this is going to slide onto it. All right. So it does come with some mounting screws. You got 2 screws. Whenever you mount this, okay, then this will just slide on. This will be stuck to the wall. Then you're just going to slide this onto it like that. Now, thankfully, there is a few minor instructions on here. If the alarm sounds, operate reset silence button, call emergency services, immediately move to fresh air outdoors. 4 quick beeps, 5 seconds off. Repeat as long as dangerous CO conditions exist. Unit error, intermittent audible alarm every 30 seconds. 10 years, warning, 10 years after initial power up, the unit will chirp 2 times every 30 seconds to indicate that it is time to replace the alarm. It will also say end. Now you'll need to replace the batteries once in a while, but the whole unit has a 10-year lifespan. And then you do need to test it. There is a test button here. So we're going to hold the test button. You don't need to hold it, just press the test button. So press it 1 time. You're going to get that chirp. Those lines are going to go across. You're going to get 4 quick beeps. That's simulating an alarm. Then you're going to get 4 more quick beeps. And then you're going to get a display of 8s. That's going to last a little bit, and then it'll go back to normal. That's a test you should do. That tells you that it's working. Now this green light here, operate, that's going to flash very faintly every 30 seconds. That means it's good. Now once this display starts showing some carbon monoxide, you will start to get an alarm, and that's going to get your 4. Again, when you start getting the bad carbon monoxide, it'll sound just like when you test it, and you'll get a red alarm telling you to move to fresh air. And it will be 4 quick beeps followed by 5 seconds of nothing, 4 quick beeps, nothing, 4 quick beeps. And this red alarm's coming on. Now if you get like an LB, that means it's low battery. It's time to change the battery, and it'll chirp at you. Okay, so this peak level, that's going to show you the peak level that this detector has seen since the last time it was powered up or reset. Now, when I press it, it still shows 0. So say the carbon monoxide went really high, but then it went down, and you come and see this, you could press peak level and you could see what it was. It doesn't tell you when that happened, but to reset that level, you're going to hold this and press the reset button for 2 seconds. It resets the peak level. Now here's the different levels. Anything above 100 is high. Mid levels 50 to 100, low levels below 50. So here's the recommended installation locations. Mounted near bedrooms or living areas, it recommended that you install a CO alarm on each level of your home. Make sure you can hear the alarm from all sleeping areas. Keep it out of reach of children. Placing the alarm at eye level allows for optimum monitoring of the digital display. And here's a full description of what the display says and what it means. So it looks like it starts beeping from 30 to 999. Again, you get 4 quick beeps followed by 5 seconds of silence. Let's measure the unit real quick. So it's right around 4.5 inches by 3 and sticks out from the wall about 1.5 inches. So again, I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.